Welcome back everybody, and you're watching BitcoinerTalk. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Nostr using the Primal client. In today's video, I'll be using my phone for the tutorial. You can do it on your computer if you want, but in my case, I'll be using my phone. So first, you need to download the Primal app. So go on your app store, and you can see I already have my Primal app. So I'll open that, and you can see I'm already logged in as my BitcoinerTalk account. But for today's demonstration, I'm just gonna add a new account. And what's cool about Primal that you can add multiple accounts. Not all clients let you do that, but thankfully Primal allows you to do that. So I'll press create a new account, and I'll put the name as not Satoshi. There you go, about you. I am not the real Satoshi. Don't ask. I think that's a perfect bio. Then you can add a profile picture, which I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add this perfect picture for perfect name. Your interest, I'll just select art, Bitcoin, finance, travel, tech, primal. It doesn't have to be what I clicked, but I just picked whatever. Your followers. Keep the recommended follows. You can update this later or customize your followers now. I'm just gonna keep it as it is. You can always unfollow anytime. And I'm also gonna add a banner, which is gonna be this happy man. That's about done. I'll have to press create. Account has been created. So that's it. The end of this video. I'll see you in the next. I'm joking. Okay, that is about it. But we're gonna press continue, and Nostr is much fun with zaps, much more fun with zaps. Okay, let's activate it. Your name, not Satoshi. Your email address, you have to put in your email address, but I'm just gonna use a temporary email address from temp.mail. And I'll copy this, and then I'll go here and go here. Okay, your date of birth is just whatever, and country of residence. I'm gonna put United States of America. States. Now that's too complicated. I'll just put, I don't know, UK or something. That's too complicated. That's too complicated. State, apply.
And I should be receiving a verification to my email, yes. So I'll go back into temp.mail, go here, and activation code is 916683.
Your wallet has been activated. Thank you very much. And let's see. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, your account technically has already been created. You can start off and do whatever you want, but I'll just show you a quick look around from the settings. So keys, this is an important part. So at the top, it's your public key, the key that you can share with your friends or other people on the internet. And this will be your identifier to identify you as a user. You can copy it, send it to your friends, send it to anybody. It will not do any harm. This is how you find a person with the npub. And then the private key is the private key that you do not want to share to anybody. You don't want to show it to anyone. This is what keeps your account safe. And it's basically your email and your password all at once. I've explained everything in my previous video. If you haven't seen it, it should be somewhere here or down in the description. Watch that video first, then come back here, and you can continue. Next up is wallets. So you have your wallet. This is my Lightning address, fuxigibadger11@primal.net. And then you can connect also your own Lightning channel at the bottom. On the network side, you have your relays, and you don't really need to know about that at the moment. This is everything as it, just keep it as it is. If you have other relays that you want to connect to, you can do that. And then you have appearances, so you can change your appearances into, like, if you want a light mode, dark mode, then you can change your size of the font. And then you have content display, so autoplay videos, show animated avatars, use huge font for short nodes. Everything as I just leave everything as it is. Then you have muted accounts. I don't have any accounts muted, but if you don't like somebody or you don't want to hear from them, you can mute the account. Then you have notifications. So basically, every time you get a new follower, you get a notification. Every time somebody tips you, you get a notification, and so on and so on and so on. You can remove those or keep it as it is. I'm just going to keep mine as it is. And then you have zaps. I'll show you what this is referring to in a bit. So I'll just change this to as a default. So uh, loving it, 21 sats. There you go. And that's about it, what you need to know so far. As a beginner, this will be plenty. Now I have my wallet set up. As you can see, I have 0 Satoshis, and I'm gonna log into my BitcoinerTalk account and tip myself and show you how it all works. But first, I'm gonna write hello Nostr, oh, booster, Nostr, this is not the real Satoshi, just a test for a video. There you go. Gonna post it, and then I'll log into my account. So very easy. Log in back into my account, and then let's find it. You know, an easy way I can find it is just go on here and write hashtag Nostr. There you go. And you can see this was me. So I'm gonna go here. And yeah, oh. Why is it doing that? It's not supposed to do that. Something is not right. Oh, there you go. So you can see that's my account. There's a beautiful photo of Satoshi, not the real Satoshi. Then you have this beautiful photo of this happy man with raining Bitcoin. And yeah, so I can follow this account, and then I would get a notification that I'm being followed. I can send messages. Hello, how is Nostr for you? Send a message. I can also see their public key. So starting with npub, that's where I can, get my other phone or other device, scan it, and that's how I would find them. Then I also have their Lightning address over here. And what else do we have here? Sending straight away. So let's first tip the post. So you see that Lightning, the Thunderbolt or whatever you call it button, if you press it once, it will default to the very first thing that I changed on the Zap settings. So if I hold it, I will get a pop-up where I can choose how much I actually want to donate. So I'm going to donate 21 sats saying, great post. There you go. And now for another test, I'm going to send the same amount, or actually no, 12 sats, so you can see the differences. 12 sats, press next. Here, or your first sats on Nostr. There you go, send, and there you go. So now we will go back to our test account and see if anything has changed. As you can see, I already have notifications that BitcoinerTalk has followed you and BitcoinerTalk has tipped you. So let's see. You can see over here that I have tipped saying great post from my other account. On the post, it says 1 zap, 21 Satoshis. And then if I go on my wallet, there you go. I have sent 21 sats through a post, well, tipped. And then I've sent it directly 12 sats. And you can even see the message, here are your first sats on Nostr, and the information over here. It is simple as that. You don't need anything else to start off. This is plenty. And now you can continue posting. You can add images. How am I looking today? Nostr. Thinking about. What are we thinking about? Thinking about creating creating as a joke, creating Bitcoin 2.0. There you go. Another post has went out. How am I looking today, Nostr? Thinking about creating Bitcoin 2.0. And you have everything in here. I don't know why it's... This glitching effect is not going to be on your Nostr. It's just something's wrong with either my phone or my Nostr. Let's see. There you go. And then, yeah, you can see you have your first post, second post, and I can do the same thing. I can send the Satoshis back. So if I go on my main account, I go on Lightning, and then let's see, 21 sats. Thank you, bro, but I don't need your sats. And I've just sent the 21 sats back to my main account. That's all you need to know about Nostr so far. This is a great app for social media, as I already mentioned in my other video, and very, very good for tipping. Pretty much, you're all set. You can start tipping, you can start finding new friends, and build your community. I hope this video was very helpful to use, and I'll see you in the next video. You are watching BitcoinerTalk.